Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're analyzing SOL/USDT on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the chart, SOL experienced a strong bearish move from around $86.50 and dropped to a low near $60. Since then, the market has started recovering and is forming higher lows, which is a positive sign for buyers. Pattern formation. At the moment, SOL appears to be forming a rounded bottom recovery pattern. This pattern often indicates that selling pressure is fading, and buyers are gradually taking control of the market. Key support levels. Immediate support, $64.50 to $65. Major support, $60 to $61. As long as price remains above these levels, the bullish recovery remains valid. Key resistance levels. First resistance, $68.80 to $69. Major resistance, $70.50 to $71. A successful breakout above the $69 level could open the door for a move toward $71 and potentially $75 in the coming sessions. Indicator analysis. The price is currently trading near the upper Bollinger Band, showing increasing bullish momentum. However, traders should watch for a breakout confirmation before expecting a larger move higher. Final outlook. Overall, SOL is showing signs of recovery after a major correction. Bulls are attempting to regain control, and a breakout above $69 could trigger the next bullish leg upward. Now we're analyzing SOL/USDT on the daily time frame. Market structure. Looking at the chart, SOL remains in a strong downtrend. The price dropped sharply from around $98.36 and found support near $60.03. Although we're seeing a small bounce from the lows, the overall daily trend is still bearish. EMA analysis. EMA 50, $78.71. EMA 100, $85.80. EMA 200, $102.12. The current price is around $68.10, which means it is trading below all major EMAs. This indicates that sellers still have control of the higher timeframe trend. Support levels. Immediate support, $66.67. Major support, $60. If the $60 level breaks, SOL could see another strong bearish move. Resistance levels. First resistance, $73.74. Major resistance, $78.79, EMA 50. Strong resistance, $85.86, EMA 100. Pattern formation. The market is currently forming a dead cat bounce. For a true trend reversal, buyers need to reclaim the EMA 50 around $79. Until then, this move should be considered a recovery inside a larger downtrend. Conclusion. The 4H chart shows a bullish recovery, but the daily timeframe remains bearish. Because of this conflict, traders should be cautious. A confirmed breakout above $69.71 would favor the bulls, while rejection from this resistance zone could offer a stronger bearish opportunity. Now we're analyzing SOL/USDT on the weekly timeframe. Looking at the chart, SOL remains in a strong bearish trend. The price is currently trading around $68, which is well below all major moving averages. The EMA 50 is at $118, EMA 100 at $128, and EMA 200 at $114. Since the price is trading below all these levels, the long-term trend is still bearish. From its peak near $295, SOL has experienced a significant correction and is still struggling to show a confirmed trend reversal. Key support levels. First support, $65. Major support, $60. Strong support, $50.55. If the price breaks below the $60 support zone, we could see further downside pressure toward the $50 area. Key resistance levels. First resistance, $80. Major resistance, $115. Strong resistance, $128. For bulls to regain control, SOL needs to reclaim these resistance levels, especially the EMA zones above $115. Market outlook. While the 4-hour chart shows a short-term recovery, both the daily and weekly charts remain bearish. This suggests that the current bounce could be a relief rally rather than a full trend reversal. Conclusion. As long as SOL remains below the major EMAs, the weekly trend stays bearish. Traders should closely watch the $60 support and $80 resistance zones for the next major move.